Assalamu alaikum. This is a Salah tracker I made out of cardboard I had handy. From this children can learn the names of Salahs and also the timings because it's color coded. You can say it's morning and peak noon, and then later in the afternoon becomes a little yellow, and then it's evening time. This is night black. So they're gonna know which salah falls at what time. Also, the rakah. These are for fard. So how many fard Fajr has, and all rakah every salah has. The children will get to know that. What else? If you don't have these gems, you can use lentils or I don't know, pasta, whatever you've got at home. Go ahead, buttons, whatever. And this is I used with magnet, and it has magnet on the back, and whatever salah they're done, it goes check, ding, and then Zohar is done, check. This is my favorite part. Children usually don't really know how to know what time it is from this kind of clock. So they will know. We will tell them it's just thumbing and it's just cardboard, thick paper. And I put them here, and you can, oops, there. And there you go. So this is what it is. It is amazing for several reasons. I love it, and you will love it too. Go ahead, make one. It's gonna take maximum 1 hour. Yeah, it's not a very long project. That's another reason for me loving it. And again, it's recyclable when you are done, and it is zero money involved, 1 hour invested, and amazing Salah tracker. Go ahead. Happy Ramadan, everybody.